So next, after completion of molecular weights, so then we are going to calculate equivalent weights. Generally, equivalent weights are different with respect to different compounds. So that is acids, bases, salts, oxidizing agents and reducing agents. So now first one is equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of acids. Equivalent weight of acids. Any acids. So the equivalent weight of acids equal to molecular weight of given acid. Molecular weight of given acid by molecular weight of given acid by basicity of the acid. Basicity of the acid. What is basicity of the acid? It is the formula. So equivalent weight of acid, any acid equal to molecular weight of given acid by basicity. What is the basicity of the acid? Basicity of the acid. Okay. So now, so then for example, number one is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. So now what is basicity? What is basicity? So now basicity means the number of displaceable H plus ions, hydrogen ions. The number of H plus ions. The number of displaceable H plus ions is called basicity of the acid. So now the equivalent weight of acids. For example, equivalent weight of HCl. What is equivalent weight of HCl? So then HCl gives rise to H plus what is Cl minus. What is H plus Cl minus? Okay. So then H plus Cl minus. So same as for example acid. So it is the acid first column. Second column is basicity. So third column is equivalent weight. So EQWT means equivalent weight. So these are the three columns. So now first acid is hydrochloric acid, HCl. So HCl gives rise to H plus Cl minus. So now the number of displaceable H plus ions, how many? 1. So now basicity is 1. What is basicity? 1. So then equivalent weight of HCl equal to, what is the formula? Molecular weight of given acid. So now HCl molecular weight. So hydrogen is 1 plus chlorine is 35.5 by, it is the molecular weight. So simply equivalent weight equal to it is equal to molecular weight by basicity. What is molecular weight by basicity is called equivalent weight. So 1 plus 35.5 by basicity how much? 1. So then equal to 36.5. So then HCl molecular weight 36.5, same as equivalent weight also 36.5 because its basicity is 1. Basicity is 1. So then for example nitric acid HNO3. So then nitric acid, it is ionized into H plus NO3 minus. H plus NO3 minus. So number of displaceable H plus ions 1. So HNO3 basicity also 1. Basicity also 1. So then equivalent weight equal to molecular weight H1, nitrogen 14, 3 oxygens 16 into 3 48. So then 1 plus 14 plus 48, it is the molecular weight. By basicity, basicity how much? 1. So then equal to 63 by 1 equal to 63. So then molecular weight 63, equivalent weight also 63 because its basicity is 1. So then for example, sulfuric acid, okay, sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid is the H2SO4. H2SO4 gives rise to 2H plus SO4 minus 2. 2H plus SO4 minus 2. Now the number of displaceable H plus ions 2. So the basicity is 2. What is basicity is 2. So now equivalent weight equal to H2 means 2. S means 32. O4 means 64 by. It is molecular weight and basicity how much? 2. So then 98 is the molecular weight, its basicity is 2. So then 49 is the equivalent weight. So sulfuric acid, molecular weight 98, equivalent weight is 49. Equivalent weight is 49. So then for example, acetic acid. What is acetic acid? CH3COOH. So CH3COOH gives rise to CH3COO minus plus H plus. So then CH3COO minus is the acetate ion. What is a acetate ion? So then in this number of displaceable H plus ions 1. So this acid basicity is 1. So then now equivalent weight equal to molecular weight by basicity. So then how much the molecular weight of acetic acid? So number of carbons 2, it is 24. Number of hydrogens 4. Number of oxygens 2 by how much basicity? 1. So then 2 carbons 1 2. 12 into 2 24. 4 hydrogens 4. 2 oxygens 16 into 2 32. So then it is 28 plus 2, 30, 30 plus 30, 60. So then its molecular weight is 30, its basicity is 1. So then its equivalent weight also 60. So then molecular weight equal to equivalent weight because its basicity is 1. Its basicity is 1. So for example, let us consider carbonic acid, H2CO3. Carbonic acid. So then it is ionized into 2H plus CO3 minus 2. 2H plus CO3 minus 2. So now the number of displaceable H plus ions 2. So then basicity of the acid is 2. Basicity of the acid is 2. So now equivalent weight equal to H2 2. Carbon 12. 3 oxygens 48. So then H2 2. Carbon 12, so then 48. By its basicity how much? 2. Basicity 2. So then 48 plus 12, it is 60. 60 plus 2, 62 is the molecular weight. So then basicity is 2. So then equivalent weight is 31. So then equivalent weight is 31. So it is the equivalent weights of acids. Equivalent weights of acids. So now, for example, sixth compound is H3PO3. So it is some exceptional example. It is H3PO3. So it is the phosphate. What is phosphorus acid? H3PO3 is the phosphorus acid. So actually 3 hydrogens are present, but in 3 hydrogens only 2 hydrogens are displaced. So then it is ionized into 2H plus. What is 2H plus HPO3 minus 2. HPO3 minus 2. So now the number of displaceable hydrogens 2. So the basicity of the acid is 2. So now the equivalent weight equal to H3 3. Phosphorus 31. 3 oxygens 48. So then H3 3 phosphorus 31. So 3 oxygens 48 by basicity how much? 2. So now it is 48 plus 1 49. 49 plus 3 352. 52 plus 30, it is 81. So 80, how much? So then 48 plus 31 plus 3. So then it's 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So then it's 82. So then it's molecular weight 82. It's a basicity 2. So then its equivalent weight is 41. Equivalent weight is 41. For example, another example, the example number 7. The equivalent weight of any acid equal to molecular weight. What is molecular weight by basicity of the compound? What is basicity of the compound? So then it is, in these 3 hydrogens, only 2 hydrogens are displaced. So now 7th example is, so then H3PO4. What is H3PO4? It is the phosphoric acid. So in this phosphoric acid, 3 hydrogens are displaced. So then 3H plus, what is 3H plus PO4 minus 3. What is 3H plus PO4 minus 3. So now how much the basicity? Basicity value is 3. So now equivalent weight equal to H3, how much? 3 plus phosphorus, how much? 31. PO4, each oxygen 16 into 4, so then 64 by basicity is 3. So then equal to 64 plus 31, 95, 95 plus 3, 98, 98 by 3. So then equal to, it is 3, it is 2.6, 32.6 is the equivalent weight. So now another example is, for example, let us consider oxalic acid. So then what is oxalic acid? It is H2C2O4 dot 2H2O. What is dot? 2H2O. So then H2C2O4 oxalic acid ionized into 2H plus C2O4 minus 2. So the number of displaceable hydrogens is 2. So then the basicity is 2. The basicity is 2. Now the equivalent weight is, so then H2, 2, C2, 24, O4, 64, plus 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 36. So then it is H2C2, 2 plus 24 plus 64 plus 36 by, so number of displaceable hydrogens 2. So then basicity is how much? 2. So then the total molecular weight is 64 plus 30, 94 plus 600, 100 plus 24, 124, 124 plus 2, 126. So then 126 by basicity is 2. So then it is 63. So then oxalic acid molecular weight is 126. Then equivalent weight is 63.